Let us understand the myths and facts about development. First, my child is a little introvert. He doesn't like talking to people. He is only at home and it doesn't bother to him if anyone is here or not at 2 years of age. Absolutely wrong. It's a myth. A child in a routine development in a neurotypical way, the child has to interact by 2 years of age. Second, my child has been the best child. He never troubled me. He doesn't even care if I am there at home or not there at home. No. If the child is not requiring human interaction, if the child is not doing social play by 2 years of age, by 1.5 years of age, it's a sign that you need to show a doctor. Third, my child is not speaking till 2 years of age, but that's normal because my parents, my grandmother said that even my mother said that even I spoke very late. No, it is not fine. First of all, if the child is not understanding language by 1.5 years of age, it's a red flag. Secondly, if no words are coming till 2 years of age, again it's a red flag. Fourth, my child has difficulty in eating, and that's why even at 4 years of age, I mash the food and give it to the child. Absolutely wrong. By 1.5 years of age, child is supposed to eat everything what we are eating. My child is not walking because he is obese. No, even a fat child, a thin child, a obese child still walks at 1.5 years of age. The obesity or the weight doesn't define you are able to walk or not. If the child is not walking at 1.5 years of age, the child definitely requires attention. Thank you.